Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Programming Languages. In this video, we'll have a detailed discussion on find command in MongoDB. So let's start. So for that, we'll execute all the commands. So let's start the server, Mongo server first. So type MongoDB. Server has been started. Now we'll start the shell where we will execute all the command. Okay. Let's create a new DB named as flights. Okay, now it has been connected to that DB. So inside that, let's create a collection named db.passengers. So for that, we'll have to insert the documents. I have one document ready. These are dummy data, so I'll insert this. So here passenger dot insert many I'll use because I have multiple documents. So insert many and then close the bracket. So yeah, all this document got inserted inside this. Let's see the document. So db dot if you'll after I'll show you again. If you'll just type pass and just press the tab command, it will take the collection name. Let's see, passengers dot find dot pretty. So here you can see the name. The last document that we have got is named as Ash. So but the document that we have inserted, the last document is of JS. So the find command actually gives you back a cursor, not all the data, no matter what the collection is. You might be thinking that find command gives you back all the data, but it gives you a cursor object. So here the IT is the cursor object. So if I press IT, then you can get the other document. So in Mongo shell, by default you will get 20 documents at once. If you'll just retrieve the data with find command, it will give 20 documents at once. And if you have more than 20 documents inside the collection, it will pass a cursor object. It will not pass, it will just return a cursor object. And so find does not give you all the data back. It helps you to cycle through all the data. So IT will use the cursor object to fetch next bunch of data. So here when you pass the IT object, it will just fetch the data. So to get all the data at a time, you can use a function named toArray. So we'll convert this data to array. Okay, we'll here just give toArray. would be capital to array. So if we'll pass this, you can see we have got all the documents. See here, the last name is Jess. So I've got all the documents. And you can also use another command, like let's say for each. Most of you might have know about the command, the syntax or whatever it is. For each, you might have know. So for each, find dot for each, and here we will give any name instead of for that passengers. We'll give one object as let's say passenger data, and then we will just pass it to one. We'll print the JSON data here. Print JSON. We'll pass that this object here. So here also you can see it has retrieved all the data, but if you use to array, it will give the data as in array format. You can see here it has square bracket at the end. And if you use for each loop, it will just retrieve the data one by one. So if you have lots of data, you can use for each, so that the memory utilization will be less. So find doesn't by default gets you all the documents, even though it looked like that. MongoShell actually allow the find command to display first 20 documents by default. So find actually gives you a cursor. So it is up to you to convert it to array or the for each to display the result. So this is the reason why we cannot use pretty command with find one. Let's see, we'll see that. So if we'll say find one, and we'll pass the name as filter, and we will just give the pretty command here. It will throw you error. Pretty is not a function, because pretty command exists with the cursor. It comes with the cursor object. So if you use the pretty command with find one, it will fail. So for other operations like insert, update and delete, the cursor doesn't exist, as it doesn't fetch data, it only manipulates the data. So cursor object is only associated with the find command. So you can just type exit to close the shell. Okay, So thank you guys, hope you like my video. Please do like and subscribe our channel.